I got LeBron toes. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all Google LeBron toes, fam. I ain't gonna lie. I got some LeBron toes, but. Alright, what's going on, y'all? I'm back with another video. And if you still haven't started, if you haven't seen me before, I am the guy that will tell you to start. I am the guy that will tell you to get off YouTube and chase your dreams. Because I promise you, all of this analysis paralysis you have, all of this not knowing what you want to do with your life, jumping from crypto, you jumping from trading, you jumping from all these different avenues of making money online, and you don't know what you want to do. You need to focus on one thing. I'm trying to tell you, bro. But I always start these videos off by showing you how much I made. So I'm gonna do it slightly different today from my usual video titles, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just do the gross sales. So over my Shopify. Alright, so analytics. This is my gross sales right here. Y'all can see my gross sales. This is not, no, this is the real Shopify. I can screenshot that for y'all, put it up on the screen, all that, you feel me? But I'm making this video because I want to show y'all that if you stick to one thing and you real deal grind and lock in, you can make something happen, bro. You can make something happen for sure. Regular people, you know what I'm saying? Not no born into wealth, not no, oh, I got lucky and somebody showed me this. No, this all comes from me learning this skill on YouTube, on the internet, applying it every day, learning, networking with other people, getting game, joining resource cards, paying thousands of dollars for education. This came with time and effort and a lot. Everything that I have done up until this point in time feels like it was meant to happen. For me, losing thousands of dollars in my other businesses, learning those lessons, eating those losses, and you know, what did that also come from? You know, not seeing success as fast as my peers and you other people online. And I want to just let you know, bro, 99% of the shit online is fake, bro. Of course, you'll come across real content like this where I really show you the real, and I really tell y'all that you real deal have to put in the grind and you have to stop doing whatever is taking your focus away. You need to destroy it. You need to get rid of it, not necessarily destroy it. We don't want to destroy nothing. We want to be creators, but you need to remove it. Remove it from your life, bro. Whatever it is, you know what I'm saying? Some people, it might be they parents, you know what I'm saying? They parents validation, you know what I'm saying? They want their parents validation, so they aren't, you know, starting that business because they scared that their parents gonna be like, no, go back to school or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Everybody got a different reason. Whatever that reason is for you, you need to figure it out. You need to figure out how to deal with it. You need to figure out how to put yourself first, bro. Like, I made a video the other day and I said something valuable in that video. If you guys did not catch that video, I'm gonna say it again. But if you give your attention, your focus to so much different things, like I related it to having a roster full of hoes. If you give all these hoes attention, right? So you got a roster of 3 hoes, right? You're trying to give each and every girl the same amount of attention. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. One business is gonna need you more than the other to succeed. Like, you feel me? The business is gonna fall apart. The relationship with the girl gonna fall apart if you don't give her enough attention. That's why we can't have 1,000 hoes. You know what I'm saying? People move on. Businesses, opportunities pass by. You feel me? Like, you can't keep up with 1,000,000 hoes. Sometimes you just gotta lock in on one, focus on one, get married, have a family, and really find true happiness. You know what I'm saying? Like, focus on one thing at first, and then you can spread off into other things. When you know what I'm saying? You can't really put that in a relationship terms, but you can outsource the help. You can outsource things. You can get managers. You can get employees to where you're only really showing up to meetings, listening to reports, them telling you how things are performing, you telling them what to do, and you going back to going and chilling at the pool, you know what I'm saying, vibing, or whatever you want to do with your life. That's the point that most CEOs, that's a real boss, that's a real CEO. A lot of us, you know what I'm saying, even up until this point, are working for money. The people that don't trade their time for money are the ones that are the most wealthy and the ones that, you know, have achieve the ultimate level of freedom, I would say. You know, a lot of them are still sad, they not happy, whatever reason. Rich people aren't happy, bro. I would say that, bro. I know a lot of rich people, and they go through the same emotions as you. They're not happy all the time. Money don't buy happiness. They go through the same emotions as you and me, bro. Trust me. They go through happiness, sadness, rage, everything. You know what I'm saying? They like, there's a real person, you know what I'm saying, behind that, all of that money. But what I'm trying to say is, money can't solve all your problems, but it can solve most of the ones that are the survival problems, right? It's like you can live your life based on what you want to do, not on what you have to do, right? We all want to live our life based on what we want to do and not what we have to do. But you have to realize though, and I hope the wind don't fuck up my video when I'm saying this, what you don't realize though is you have to do what you need to do what you want to do. You have to do what you need to do what you want to do. You gotta do what you don't want to do until you don't gotta do it no more. You feel me? And honestly, I heard people say that, and I'm just reiterating, I'm quoting that, but you know, I necessarily don't live by that, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you, and I don't think you should either, because going to work, you should want to do that so you can eventually escape that. Because if you never go to work, right, if you never get that job at McDonald's or whatever, you'll never be able to, you know, you'll never be able to take the time to invest into your education or invest into this business that costs money for product inventory. Or you need to get money from somewhere, right? So you should want to do this, right? You should want to apply to these jobs. You should want to get some money. You should want to invest your time wisely and your money wisely while you're in the trenches, while you're in the phase of you still at work, you still in a 9-to-5 grind. Like I said in the other video, bro, if you got 8 hours, if you go to work for 8 hours, you got another 8 hours of work you can do, and then another 8 hours of sleep. 8 plus 8 plus 8 equals 24. That's how many hours we got in a day, right? So we have 2 working shifts, a personal shift, and a slave 9-to-5 shift, and then we have to go to sleep, because for us to be functioning humans, sleep is necessary. Like, you see a lot of these people, and there's a reason why they're not happy. There's a reason why they're not fulfilled. They're not even sleeping, right? These people that have all this money, but they don't even sleep, right? But I understand it. They want to grind and they want to feel like that, but they wonder why, all right, I can't turn off the switch. I can't turn off the switch from being a wolf, you know what I'm saying, to being a dog, being able to be happy, you know what I'm saying? A wolf, just killer all the time, trying to work, grind. They don't know how to turn the switch off to be a little poodle for a second. Be a little, you know what I'm saying, whatever. But there's 2 sides of life, bro. And you gotta excel in both, business and personal, right? You can't perform in business your best if your personal life has problems. You can't have these personal problems and step into business and think everything is gonna be fixed. No, you have to fix both sides of yourself. Bro, I'm giving so much game right now. I ain't gonna lie. I hope y'all paying attention to that. By the way, links in the description if you guys need help with any e-com stuff. I'm giving y'all a lot of game in this video, bro, but y'all can't let 2025 pass you by, bro. It's halfway through the year. It's halfway through the year, bro. Halfway through the fucking year. It's crazy to say that. Like, the start of every year is my birthday. That's why I take every year so serious, because it's a new year for me. I'm a new age, and I need to accomplish these things, these ages. When I have, like, the way my goals are set up, I need to do this by this age. I need to do this by this age. I need to do this by this age. That's putting a time limit on it, so I bust my ass off, so I get there, and then I can move on to something else. Bro, you don't want to be stuck on something for 10 years. Like, you don't want to be one of them niggas that's rapping for 10 years, bro. I'm sorry, bro. Like, if that's you and that hits your chord and you want to subscribe to my channel, go ahead, bro. I'm not going to lie to you, but you should probably pivot into something else and treat that more as a hobby, less than a career. Because some things, they just not, the opportunity is not there for you. You feel me? Make your own opportunity somewhere else. You feel me? It's a lot of trash rappers turn into successful business people, and they can take care of their family, and they can be looked up to, you know what I'm saying? Not just because they're rappers, but because they're successful business entrepreneurs, you know what I'm saying? A lot of rappers, they turn into entrepreneurs after they rap, like 50 Cent and shit like that. But there's a lot of entrepreneurs, you know what I'm saying, that try to be rappers that just turn to entrepreneurs, and now they just do it in the free time. They able to pay for the features from the people they want to work with, all type of shit. Is it raining on me, bro? Damn, I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna have to cut this video a little short. It's raining on me, bro, but I appreciate all y'all that resonated with my last video, that resonated with the video before that subscribed to my channel. It's been 80 of y'all that have subscribed in the last 30 days. I'm gonna continue making these daily-ish, you know what I'm saying? Because sometimes I gotta lock in, bro. Sometimes I gotta lock in on the business and I ain't got time to record. But daily-ish videos, you know what I'm saying, coming out. You guys subscribe to the channel if you guys want to keep up, you know what I'm saying, keep up with me and stuff like that. But